How to add captions to TikTok videos like these.
Alex told me that he did a route once and on his way up realized that he hadn't brought any chalk.
Whew.
So
Yeah.
he had to borrow it from someone else
Yeah.
who was strapped to ropes.
Step 1. Click the first link in the description to go to this AI tool called Submagic. Step 2. If you don't have an account here, then sign in. If you have an account, then just log in. Step 3. Click here anywhere in the empty space and choose the video for which you want the captions. Step 4. You can rename the video and choose its language. Now click on Upload. This tool will take some time to generate the captions. The captions have been generated. You can edit them to make them look even better. There is also a feature to get AI description of the video. Step 5. Click on Pay and Export. There is a discount on yearly plan, so I am choosing it. You can select monthly plan as well. Choose the Pro plan because you can get captions for unlimited videos. Click on Pay Now. In the payments page, there is an option to add a promotion code. Enter the code WB Explainer to get extra 10% discount. Now enter the remaining details and complete the payment. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.